The Boeing 737 aircraft that were not operated for over a week during the recent travel restrictions are at a risk of suffering a dual engine failure during flight, said the US aviation regulator in a recent emergency airworthiness directive that called for inspection of all such aircraft. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation adopted the directive, issuing instructions to airlines like SpiceJet, Air India Express and Vistara that operate the Boeing 737 aircraft. The US Federal Aviation Administration Airworthiness Directive called for inspection of Boeing 737 NG and Classic aircraft that were not operated for 7 or more consecutive days. It was issued following 4 recent reports of single-engine failures. The inspections will look for corrosion in certain valves which could disrupt power to both the engines of this twin-engine aircraft. Director General of Civil Aviation KUMAR confirmed that Indian carriers too have been asked to carry out these inspections. A SpiceJet spokesperson said the FAA-AD applies to a small number of 737s in our fleet that have not yet completed 10 cycles on return of aircraft to service. They are being inspected. The majority of our planes have completed 10 cycles already and are not affected by this AD. A TOI online report.